That's a cheaper one.
Oh.
You know what normal people have.
What the funky girls be?
Yeah. Pretty.
But you said it was loud, it's not loud. It's really loud.
Yeah, now where you go? Where you falling in? Falling off the fire. That's yards away, that's far too close.